Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Another one have the same trouble with the Ramset rotary hammer, and it's the old school one, but it's very handy. Friend already bring me and try to disable again, and I try to see why no hammer. For every jackhammer, mostly the same. Mostly all jackhammer but the same. Okay, this is the barrel for the piston, and here is the inside. Most cause no hammer is because the piston. So the piston is worn out, the rings, and this one will run dry, no oil in here. So that's why it causes problems. So what I do is quickly video like any other videos. Basic on the jackhammer is all about the knocking. Remember I talking about? See here the choker. They go in here, they go in along here, and it's knocking here, go in here like this, and this one, so it go out like this one go inside the piston here. So the piston wrap this up and knock on, and the stroker inside we hit it similar. This is the knocker, and the other one is the stroker inside and the piston. So we try to see if it's really loose. It's like the piston, the rings is gone. Same as the other ones. Try to make the hammer work. It's very simple. Now, this one is the old school, the oldies, but the goodies, and very easy to repair. Okay. So try to sneak in and get the piston out. You go. It's 4 bolts. No question asked at all. They super simple. Simple, man. You can leave the cable, just don't tilt them and don't kink them too much. The switch inside here, don't kink too much. Leave the switch there, okay, all there. That's it, all very simple. Do same way, service this one later, and take this one off. We move this one, the whole gear assembly out, but it's not yet. Try to don't let everything stuck in you. Is the gear. So go in here and grab out this one. See the stroker and the piston. So the gear. So leave this one here, and the knocking is here. And here, see the knocking. So we have to find out why the knocking in here is not moving up and down, and it not hit on here. Okay, we have to open up and see what inside here. Oh man, it's super dry out. See, it's grass and metal, and look like it's bloody. This one go in there like that, and see this one. Don't touch this one. The main key is about the knocking, and same our way. So what we do is knock it out by only one way out. Oh, the pin out itself is good, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, now we try to get this one out. It's another one. So hit. Okay, hit. This one hits by force. They're using dynamic to push it out. Okay, let's see what they use inside. It's not using the rings, I think. Everything's so different to the other one. Yep, it's still got the piston no ring. See, this is very worn out and very dry. Nothing inside at all. That's why it's worn out. So what we do is got a bit of damage here. What the best do is get a fine sandpaper, make the groovy, because before you enter the new rings, if you don't fix this one, when you put the new rings on, you will be waste your time. Okay, what I could do is sandpaper like this and spray water on. Okay, how fast you can spin, I don't know. So make it super shiny. As long as you can put this one in and you don't have any friction on here, and you are winning. But very rough inside. Okay, what I do, quick way is tricky way. I will show you. We need the little drill bearings, and see, we need to clean the inside barrel. It's very bad. Okay, we fold this one up like this somewhere. Put this one here. Go like that. Okay. Yo! Bring them in, brother! Now you got beautiful corn machine. Okay, put water on and corn machine. Okay. Beautiful, see? Nice and clean. Yeah, see all fine crust and see that one? Fine bloody aluminium come out, and then that should be, see, they should be shook out in and out very smoothly. After this we may replace the just the O-rings, and we have brand new shocker and brand new jackhammer. See, super simple. I think it's good enough. Now see, that how should be beautiful. Okay, now replace new O-rings, put grease on, and make sure we got some grease and oil. And caused damage by this one is run dry, no grease or anything at all. That's why it blow out. Okay, okay, good. What we do is like that, and try to put everything back. First thing first, clean all that shit out, the grass and dust. And this is how they go in. Got a little O-ring inside. Got a little dingy inside here. Yep. Little dingy inside. Little dingy. Yep. The little rubber things. Got to stay inside like that. Yep. Clean them. Make sure no dust inside. No dust left. Put heaps of grease in here, and don't be shy, put on here. I don't know why they don't have any grease in here before, so this is how to go in. Okay, so that's it, like that, and clear this one out. What we do is put the sugar back in. How to go in should be easy to go like that. Okay, flip it down like that. And what we do is put some grease in here. Okay, and this one, the piston. Corner. And it go in. So put heaps of grease in here. Yeah, the problem is they run too dry and they all gone. Okay, that's it, and try to light up, and that's how they go in, and not wrong about that. Okay, that's it, that's how it come in. Okay, put this one away and put some bolts on, put some Loctite with them, with my fast running gear grease 3000 fast running gear. So put some in here, some in there. It melt out and it keep loops. Okay, keep loops. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this one go in like that. Okay, we put the bolt on, 4 bolts. I always put a bit of Loctite, so they don't come out. Super simple. See all the lever here still working. Yep, hammer and no hammer. Okay, still work. Okay, we put a bit of spray. We do a bit of cleaning this one. So make sure it's got a little rubber, and this one is something like that. Go in like that, and go in like that, and go in nice and clean. So in like that, this one on like that. Okay, we this one out, we got this one there, and we slide this one on. Oh, fire! Then gotta go in. Take this one, go into the fan, gig it, and then they go online. Okay, see? No question at all. Like that. Okay. So be very quickly if you know the tricks. The tricks is there. There. Okay, we put all on. I know that 100% is working well. So I close the job. So one hit. So confident on this one, okay? So confident on what I do, repair the hammer. Basically, the piston problem. So no switch, no power. Process not contact. You can hear sound very healthy. So what I do is put the cover on, and then we will go for a test, okay? Test drive. We can do a test drive if you want. We can do test drive, okay? Okay. Sound really healthy. So that means I'm bingo. We have a very good knocking there so far. Now we put this one on, okay? Knock hard. Just follow the instruction like this. But it needs the spring go in like that. And this one should be go in like that. But this one very simple. You never seen one before. You can see now this is your first time, okay? Swing this one around. And the pin go along there. You see. And this one will come over here. Okay. Well, I don't see because I'm stupid. Go like that. And this one go in. Go up like that. And this one go in like that, and this one cover around to stop the pin come up like that. Okay, and this one come on the top like this, and the circlip and done. Okay, circlip in and done. I find out this design is actually very good design. Okay, very good design for the, they call the rotary hammers. Rotary hammer, good. I love it. Okay, let's see how it works. So we put the little groove in here. So put on, slide, open, take off, on. Okay, now we test for the moment of truth. Simon will no boo. Okay, look. See, it worked. And then we go on hammer. Okay. See, we go on hammer, super hammer. See. For the small piston and stroker, this is how it works. It's perfect. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Simon 2. This is friend, not a Ramset Dyna, model 342. Little one, but it worked very well. Happy with it. Fully rebuilt the hammer.